Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, it's Black Friday. I hate going shopping. I wait till Cyber Monday. Is anybody else like that? Cyber Monday? Who wants to leave their house and shop when they get to shop online for deals? But I did go to the dollar store because I wanted to get some, what the hell did I go there for? What's that called? Dish soap. I wanted to get some dish soap. And I was like, you know what, let me just look around and see what they have, because sometimes at the dollar store you find some real gems and everything's $1. So I bought 3 bags full of stuff for $35. So I'm just gonna jump right in and get started. So the dollar store had a lot of Christmas decorations right now, which I'm not shocked, it's Christmas, but I was shocked that they had like brand candy canes. So I picked up a bunch of these. These are lemon head candy canes. I plan on putting up my Christmas tree today. I'm so freaking excited. I was gonna put it up yesterday, but after I ate turkey, that, what is that called in turkey? Starts with a T. That thing that's in turkey that makes you want to take a nap. I was feeling it. Me and Chicken, my cat, were napping it up. So I got a bunch of them because I got a new Christmas tree and it's a little bit bigger. So I don't think I have a whole lot of ornaments. And I'm too lazy to go buy a bunch of ornaments. Like, I'm the type of person that I see an ornament I like and I buy it, but I'm not gonna like buy a bunch of ornaments just to have a bunch of ornaments. You know what I mean? Like, they have to be like mean something. Do you guys do that? Do you have like themed Christmas trees, or is your Christmas tree just like a bunch of random ornaments, like whatever you like? I got all sorts of things. Food and animals is my main thing. They also had sweet tarts candy canes. I mean, how many candy canes are in here? 6 candy canes for $1. That's not too bad. And they had, what is this? Original Spree candy canes as well, 6-pack. So I got a bunch of those. And then I got like some tinsel. And it's actually pretty cute. Like, look at this tinsel. They had a bunch of them that looked kind of like cheap and crappy, but this one actually looks pretty cute. It has like the 2 different kinds of tinsel, like the big tinsel that looks a little bit better, and then the little skinny tinsel. So I got those. I got 2 of them. They're 9 feet long. So I got 2. And then I bought these, and I don't know why. They're like little birds that you stick on your tree. And I think I bought them because my grandparents had like really, really, really pretty ones. Like, the tails were so pretty. And they kind of reminded me of those, but I mean, I don't know if I'm gonna stick them up. Look at their beaks. You see this guy's beak? It's like having some difficulty in life. So we'll see if I put that up. So that's bag 1. And then I found these, which I thought were kind of cute. They go on the back of your like dining room chairs or kitchen chairs. They're little like Santa hats that you just slide over the back of the chair. So I got 4 of them because I have 4 chairs. And what I really came to the dollar store for, I got 2 different kinds of dish soap. I got Ajax and Palmolive. The Palmolive is a little bit more. This one's 16 ounces and this one's 14 ounces. So I probably should have got 2 of these and none of these. But I like the smell of grapefruit. So, and it's a bleach alternative, they say. So I got these. I actually don't use a whole lot of dish soap because I just throw everything in the dishwasher, but I just like to have it. And then, do you guys see this? They have cat toys. Never went down the pet aisle, and I went down there and they have cat toys. My cat is staring at me right now, so he looks like he's gonna be interested in this. Oh my God, that was fast. So now this, I bought this box there, and I also got a black dish towel. And I got a black dish towel because Jesse's mom made us all these like hand woven dish towels that are really nice. And Jesse, when he cooks, is a big sloppy mess. And I'm just like, these dish towels are nice. You can't use these dish towels for grease. Please, like, don't stain these dish towels. And he just can't help himself. So I got him a black one that, this is Jesse's dish towel. Like, he could put as much grease and crap on here as he wants to, and it'll be okay, because it's $1 and it's black. I got toothpaste. I always pick up toothpaste at the dollar store just because it's there and it's $1. What else did I get? Oh, I got one of these little like brushes with a little pick end, so you could like part your hair. Jesse is trying to grow a man bun, but he wants the bottom half shaved and the top half like up in a man bun. And I was like, I don't know if I can do it for you. So I need to get one of these so I could like part his hair to shave the bottom half of it. I also got a brush because I'm in desperate need of a new brush. My brush I have right now, I've had probably 5 years. I know, right? That sounds really gross. So I got a new brush. What else? Oh, I got these little what are these called? Clothespins. I like to buy these for like bags of chips and stuff. When you open the bag of chips, you just close it up with one of these clothespins. And honestly, the clothespins are down the aisle with all like the arts and crafts. I feel like I've been somewhere else, because I feel like I go to the dollar store at least like 5 times a year. I don't think I've ever seen the dollar store craft section in my life. I don't know why, but they had so much stuff down there. If you want to buy a bunch of crap for your like kids to paint and like cheap art projects for your kids, go to the dollar store. They had so much stuff, like these little wooden things, like they had like a cactus you could paint and like all sorts of cute stuff there. I got this eyelash curler because I haven't bought a new one in so long, and mine is kind of like the little prongs in it are kind of like falling off. So I got a new one and it actually looks pretty good for $1. I also got these nail brushes at the dollar store. These are just always good to have around, especially when your husband's a chef and he gets crap stuck under his fingers. He really needs these, like really, really bad. I got Carmax. I'm actually gonna open that right now because it's winter. And honestly, I don't normally use stuff like Carmax because I feel like the more lip stuff I use, the more lip stuff I have to use. I feel like that's a known fact, but got a little Carmax. Yes. Sometimes it just feels good to put Carmax on you. What does this have in here? I didn't know this had like drug information. Camphor 1.70% white petrolatum. Helps relieve symptoms of cold sores and dry lips. I did not know this had like prescription like drug information on chapstick. Did you? Oh, I got a little bag of Ricola. My throat doesn't hurt, but sometimes I just like to suck on cough drops. And I love the Ricola commercial. Ricola. But I don't think I've ever tried them. So I wanted to try that. And it's going into like winter, so somebody in this house is gonna have a sore throat. I honestly need to get a humidifier for my bedroom because I wake up in the morning with the worst like dry throat ever, every day. Right, chicken? Cat's still staring at me like, Mom, stop making a video, let's play with this cat toy. I also got these sunglasses because I never buy sunglasses. I never wear sunglasses, and I feel like I need to start wearing sunglasses. Like even in the winter, it's super bright, like against the snow in Wisconsin, and you need some sunglasses. And it's $1. I want to buy like a really expensive pair, like super expensive, like a pair of Gucci sunglasses, and that will just be my sunglasses. But these are actually like, these are pretty all right for $1 sunglasses. I mean, I usually just wear them in the car anyways. I don't really wear them anywhere else but the car. What else did I get? Oh, their like hair section, they had a bunch of little hair things. So I got these clips. I thought they were really cute. And I used to wear these all the time when I was little. I kind of like this one better because it's like a deeper color. Maybe I'll put one in right now. What color should I pick? I'm gonna pick purple. I really like purple. What do you think? I mean, that's not, I'm gonna have to do something with my hair. I cut my hair and I like it because it's a lot easier, and I haven't done anything to my hair. I just let it air dry. But I feel like I need to like style it up and do something cute to it. I need to start getting it together, you guys. I'm pregnant and I feel, I'm only 9 weeks pregnant and I already feel frumpy as hell, but I've been so damn tired lately. Ugh. The rest of this is all like candy. I got Warheads. I saw these on a YouTube video not that long ago and I was like, oh my god, I forgot about Warheads. Like, I haven't had a Warhead in so long, I want them. And I saw them at the dollar store and I was like, yes, give me these Warheads. I want a blue one. Mm. Oh my god. I forgot how bad these are. Holy crap. Ages 4 and up. That's funny. Once you get all the sour crap off of them, they're actually really freaking good. I got these. Jessie really likes these chocolate covered cherry things. So I got him some of those. This is just like 2 in here. These must be like more expensive since there's only like 2 of them in there. I got Nerds. You know what the best part about Nerds is? The packaging. Like, isn't that such a fun package? I'm gonna bust them open. Look at how bright they are. I love them. Okay. Pure sugar. Wow. I forgot how good those were. Starburst. I love fruity candy. Not too big into chocolate. I'm more of a fruity candy kind of girl. I got these for Jessie. Butterfinger bites because they just seem good. Like, who doesn't like Butterfinger? So good. I used to always get these at the movies. Crunch a bunch. So good. I love these things. There's very few chocolate candies I like, and Bunch of Crunch is one of them. I also got Reese's Pieces, another chocolate candy I actually like. And I got these hot fries. These Andy Caps. You guys, if you haven't tried Andy Caps, like cheese fries, they're so good. I used to eat these all the time when I was little and I just love them. I've never seen, they have barbecue flavor. I've never seen the barbecue flavor. I've only seen the hot ones and the cheddar ones. I actually thought these were the cheddar ones. I'm kind of a little sad I didn't want the hot ones, but whatever. And then last but not least, I got this box. And I got this box because I'm so sick of my fridge. Every single fridge. You guys, can you stop playing until I'm done with this video? I swear these cats are preparing me for childbirth. Or having a kid in general. But anyways, fridges. Why is it that a fridge has like the fruit and vegetable drawers at the very bottom. And then like, where do you stick your meat? Above where you put your fruit and vegetables? Like your meat juices, have you ever had that where like your meat juices like leak on to other things and you're just like contaminating your whole fridge? Because it's just like so weird to me that every fridge I've ever seen doesn't have like meat storage at the very bottom of the fridge. Because if you go to a restaurant, like the way the restaurants have to have their like coolers and fridges in the kitchen, it's like the meat has to be at the very bottom of everything because of that reason. So like, why don't they make fridges like that? Like, what the hell, people? Like, I need to invent, like, not invent, but I need to make a fridge. Like, that would be my ultimate dream, is to design a fridge. Swear, it'd be the best fridge ever. And that was $35. I've actually charged me like 17 times for those clips. I also bought hand sanitizer, but I left that in my car because that's where I need it. Because when you leave a store, lather up. Stuff is getting scary out here. Whew, I don't know. It's real scary out here, especially, I don't know where you live, but in Wisconsin, things have been like really bad, especially in Milwaukee, the biggest city in the whole state where I live. It's just been out of control. People are at the bars every freaking night. So it sucks. But anyways, my camera's gonna die. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Probably make one putting up my Christmas tree. So hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button, hit that little bell, and leave me a comment telling me what you think about the dollar store. See you next time.